Dow Jones may has a chance to rebound from next week. And today I'm going to give you some insights. Is it going to happen? What is the strategy? How to tell this is going to rebound or not? Welcome to ymchannel. This channel is about trading strategy and money mindset to help you make more, learn more. Click like, subscribe, share with your friend. This is only education purpose. We don't recommend you to do any trade. So now we look at Dow Jones. This is weekly chart. You can see we have a down signal. The red line is the fast trend line to tell you, hey, this is going down. And you can see basically Dow Jones long time ago give you the warning signal, which is from the YM big buy is going downward. It means the big volume trader, they're leaving the market, but the stock keep going up. This is a big divergence. But maybe next week, basically from 23rd of March to 27th of March, this may start to rebound. I didn't say you buy right now. This is quite a crazy prediction. Okay, I'm going to show you something. From weekly chart for index, you don't see the YM chip entry. But if we change to the ETF, so this is Dow Jones ETF, okay, one of the Dow Jones ETF. You can check all the ETF. They show something interesting. So the weekly chart is the same thing. We have down signal is going down. We have an up signal here, right? Nothing's changed. Everything going down, everything going down. But if we look into the daily chart, by the way, today is 20th of March. I'm going to record this. So now few things you can see from daily chart signal. The first one is YM chip entry. They tell you institution they are buying here. Okay, number one. When they buying here, it doesn't mean we need to buy right away, right? Two candle we need to look at. The first candle, which is quite far away. Okay, 491. The other candle is the longest candle. Okay, the longest candle. But we are still under the longest candle. So the longest green candle, okay, the volume, you mean the institution buying more on this day, okay? After that, they're still going down. They drop below the lower, you mean they will continue to go down. But one thing I want to check with you is the purple candle. I didn't say to buy right now. We are still waiting the confirmation signal. This is Dow Jones ETF Trust, by the way. So when the purple happen, this is overbought over. So this is YMOBOS. When the purple happen and the purple disappear, basically it's one of our buy signal. Okay, so now we can see the last time it happened back to 2025 April. They have purple here. They have purple here. The up is here. We have YM chip entry, YM chip entry. So it happened, the first bunch of purple is here. The second is here. Once they go above, the purple disappear, they go above the red, they go close above the tallest green candle. This is the first buy point. And they go up, right? Since we're still under the blue, this is still a rebound, right? And you can see the second one, they even show up here. And they go above the blue. This is a confirmation you buy in. And you have more confirmation with the big volume trade. They go above zero. And the institution holding, basically, they are increasing here. You see, they're very stably increasing. And after that, it become a super bullish market. Back to the point. Right now, what are we going? What is happening now here? We have purple candle already. We have YM chip entries already. YM chip is not ready. We are still going downward. This is critical. This, the price go down, but the big volume trader, they are buying. You see here, the purple line is increasing. Not yet that strong. We're still under zero. It means we have a chance to rebound very soon. And I would say, is it possible next week? I mean, because we are close, let's say you don't have my indicator. You can see here, there's a support line here. Basically, the first support is here. Okay, so we almost touching it. We almost touching it. So we will basically we'll look at Dow Jones. Is there any buy point for any Dow Jones stock, or just buy the ETF to save the troubles? Okay, so this is quite a crazy prediction. I know everything going down. Even my hedge fund friends, they tell me to short the index. But from the chart, when everyone doing one thing, maybe there's a good opportunity we do opposite thing. Does it make sense? When everything's so negative on the stock market, maybe there's a chance they will start to have a rebound. Okay, so this is the update today. If you like this video and you think this is a crazy prediction, click like right now, and we will have the answer basically next week to see, hey, does it really start to rebound? By the way, this is not a recommendation to tell you, hey, to buy, to sell, anything, but I want you to understand the market and something you can see beforehand. When you are beforehand, you do earlier than little bit than other people, then you will see the whole thing, whole picture differently. It's like last week I have a friend who is a hedge fund manager. So we're talking about rotation, sector rotation. Basically, like each time the money will move from sector to sector. Okay, but it's quite difficult to trace it. Very difficult if you don't have a more advanced indicator like YM chip entry or other indicator. Okay, quite difficult. But the conclusion is when we notice is raising, when we notice from the news, when we notice from our friend or from the market or from the filter, it's already up a lot. Just like Dow Jones, right? It always institution take the action beforehand. So this is the difference. I want you to think a bit more before. Don't listen to the news. Don't listen too much about the market. Don't listen. But you have to think ahead. When people talk about CLWV, when people talk about other stock, maybe it's already the end of the wave. It's very likely. Okay, so if you like this video, click like, subscribe, share with a friend. I will make more video. See you next time. Happy weekend, everyone. Bye.